Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the theme in your phone with the FontsArt application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First off, open the FontsArt app. On the top right corner, you can skip this easily. On the bottom, you can see the menu, fonts, keyboards, themes, icons, stories. You will tap on the themes and here you will see a lot of options and you can choose which one would you like to use. Let's go with this one. On the bottom with this arrow, you can download it. Here on the left you can see the icons for your apps on the phone, for example Facebook, Messenger, Gallery, Gmail, Google, Instagram. And if you like it, on the right you will tap on the add on and it will add to your screen. And you will go with each one of them, you will add them to your screen. And here up you can change the wallpaper if you would like to. You tap on the set button and you can change the wallpaper if you would like to. And here you will have two options from the widget. If you would like to save them, tap on the bottom and hold to put that on the screen. Here I don't have too much space. Let's try here. Let's save the widget, hold it for long, and here it is. And here are the icons for the Netflix, Instagram, Google, and so on. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.